Good afternoon, guys. I wanted to make a little video to help you with your assignment this week. This one is pretty similar to the one that I assigned. So what you do is first you need to read each problem. So the first problem says you earned $400 at work today. You earned $50 per hour. How many hours did you work? So, you earned $400 at work today. $50 per hour. So, $400 is the total. So, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 choices down here that equal $400. $50 per hour. Per hour says each hour, which means multiply times the number of hours. Since we don't know the number of hours, we're going to call that X. So we need 50 times the number of hours to equal 400. This one says 50 plus the hours equals 400. This one says hours minus 50 equals 400. Here's 50 times the hours equals 400, or hours divided by 50 equals 400. We want this one, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to drag it up here into this box. Okay. The next one says you need $50 more to buy a $400 laptop. So how do we get that $400? We need 50 more. To get 50 more of something, I would add 50. So I'm going to go down here and find the one where we're adding 50 to get 400. So I'm going to click that one and drag it up here and drop it in that box. The next one says you will pay for your car in 50 monthly payments. Each payment is $400. How much does your car cost? You will pay for your car in 50 monthly payments. Each payment is $400. How much does your car cost? So in this one, we're looking for the total cost. So if we're looking for a total, if we don't have a total, Okay, so if we're trying to find the total, when we split it into 50 monthly payments is 400. When we split it up into 50 payments, it equals 400. So which one says the total split up? Is that subtracting or is that dividing? We should know that's dividing. So I'm going to choose this one and drag it up here and drop it in the box. And the last one says after spending $50 on groceries, you have $400. How much did you start with? You spent $50, and we know when you spend money, that's going away or subtracting. And then we had $400 left, so that's going to be this one. And I'm going to drag it up and drop it. Okay, those are your examples for today. If you have any questions, feel free to message me or call me, and I will be glad to help. Thank you for listening.